I have kept a raindrop sensor in a cup of water. It is giving buzzer sound and LED is also turning on. I have given a delay of 5 seconds, so it is becoming on and off. Whenever the buzzer and LED both turns on, it indicates that it is raining outside. And in serial monitor also you can check. It is showing temperature 28 degrees Celsius and humidity 36 percentage, and raindrop sensor value is 399, and LED buzzer are activated, and rain status is yes. So all this information it is displayed on the serial monitor. Now I'll take out this raindrop sensor outside from the cup, and I'll show you what message we will get. Now I have completely taken out the raindrop sensor from the cup of water and completely I dried it. I have kept it on a tissue paper, and the LED is in off condition. Buzzer is also in a off condition. And sensor value, it is showing rain status no, and it is giving a message as no rain. Raindrop sensor value is 1024. No rain. Rain status is no. And as usual, temperature and humidity value are also it is showing. In ThingSpeak also you can check the temperature value in a graph, and you can check the humidity, and you can check the raindrop sensor value. Earlier it was 1024, now it is dropped down below 500 because I have set the threshold value to 500. And you can check the rain status. And I have also used a lamp indicator, so it is showing the green color, which indicates that it is raining outside. It is showing the sensor status 1. If the status is 1, it is raining. If the status is 0, it is not raining. This is smart weather monitoring system. In this I am using Node MCU because I want to send the data to the cloud, ThingSpeak cloud. For that I want internet connection. Since Node MCU has got built-in Wi-Fi module, I am using this instead of Arduino Uno board. And in order to monitor the temperature and humidity of environment, I am using a DHT11 sensor. And if it is raining, to indicate whether it is raining or not, I'm using a raindrop sensor. If you don't have raindrop sensor, you can use soil moisture sensor also in order to find out whether it is raining or not. And if it is raining outside, and if we are inside the house, to indicate that it is raining, I'm using buzzer and LED. When it rains, the LED will turn on, and the buzzer will start giving the buzzing. Buzzer will start buzzing. So this is about the introduction of a smart weather monitoring system. And how to do the connection. DHT11 sensor has 3 pins. Ground, VCC, and D4. You please check out the pins. It will be written on the DHT11, which is ground pin, and which is VCC pin, and which is output pin. So based on that, you do the connection. My DHT11 sensor has the first pin is ground, and middle one is VCC, and the last one is output pin. So you check out and do the connection. The output pin of DHT11 sensor, it is connected to D4 pin of node MCU, and VCC of DHT11 sensor, it is connected to one point on the breadboard. The first line I'm making it as VCC, and the second black one I'm making it as a ground. I'm connecting VCC to the VCC pin on the breadboard and ground to the ground pin on the breadboard. And I'm using GAN LED to indicate it is raining. The anode of the LED, I'm connecting it to D6 pin of node MCU, and the cathode is connected to ground pin of breadboard. And similarly, the buzzer, here the big buzzer I have taken, and the positive terminal of the buzzer, it is connected to D5 pin. It is mentioned here, D5 pin of node MCU, and the ground of buzzer is connected to ground on the breadboard. And the raindrop sensor has 3 pins. This side, you can check it. You please first note it down, which is A0 pin, which is VCC, and which is ground. Then only you do the connection. And the VCC pin of raindrop sensor is connected to VCC line on the breadboard, and ground is connected to ground pin on the breadboard. And A0 pin, that is analog pin. It has got D0 pin also, but now I am using analog pin. The analog pin of a raindrop sensor, it is connected to A0 pin of the node MCU. So this is all about the connection. Now I'll explain the code. Before explaining the code, I'll show you how in the ThinkSpeak your graph looks like. This I have taken from the ThinkSpeak of my channel. So this is the temperature graph. So the temperature, when I have done this experiment, that time it was more than 29 degrees Celsius, and humidity, it is keep on varying. So it is giving in terms of percentage. The highest humidity what I got is 46%. So after that, it is falling down to 19% also as the time goes on. In the evening time, the humidity is dropped here. And in the afternoon time, the temperature is very high here. And you can also check the other graph, rain sensor value. So initially there was no rain. So it was giving the highest value 1024. Now I poured some water on the raindrop sensor. So its value reduced and less than 500. I have kept the threshold value of 500. When the raindrop sensor value falls below 500, then my LED and buzzer turns on. And the rain status also, to indicate the rain status, I have used one more field. So if it is raining, if no rain, it is giving 0 status. If it rains, it gives 1 status. So 1 means raining, 0 means no rain. So when I pour water on the raindrop sensor, it is giving 1. So that it indicates that it is raining outside. And I have used 2 more widgets also for raining. When it is raining, this widget will become green color, and the rain status, yes, to indicate the status, yes, this widget is giving red in color. So all these information we will get it from the ThinkSpeak channel. So now I'll show you how to create a channel and how to make 4 fields in the ThinkSpeak channel. Now I'll show you how to log in and how to create the channel in ThinkSpeak. Now click on Google Chrome and type here ThinkSpeak and click on IoT Analytics. So before that, you should register for ThinkSpeak channel, ThinkSpeak Cloud. How to register for ThinkSpeak Cloud, I have done already one video. I'll share the link of that in a description box. You go through that, and first, before creating a channel, you should register yourself for a ThinkSpeak channel. After that, click on IoT Analytics. So after that, you click on Sign In. So it will ask you to enter your login email ID. So I'll enter my email ID. Click on next. It will ask you to enter the password. Now I'll enter my password. Then click on sign in. So as I have already registered, so my account will be opened here, and click on the channel. Click on my channel. Click on new channel. Here you give the smart weather system, like that. You give the name. Weather monitoring system. You give the name smart weather monitoring system. And in the first field, you give the temperature. I'll write TEMP. I'll write temperature only. Next, in the second field, I'll write humidity. And in the third field, I'll give raindrop sensor value. Raindrop sensor value I'll give. And in the fourth field, I'll give the rain status. Rain status. So these 4 fields I have created, and go down and click on save channel. So when I click on save channel, now I got my channel ID 2453485. So you have to copy it and paste it in your program. So I'll show you where to copy and where to paste it. And similarly, click on API key. And here you will get a write API key. So copy this write API key and paste it in your program where the write API keys place is there. There you have to paste it. These 2 things you should take care. So what you should take care? Channel ID, copy and paste it in your program. And API key, you should copy and paste it in your program. After that, you want to add some gadgets. So what you should do, you go here. So here the 4 fields are created. 1 field for temperature, 1 field for humidity, and 1 field for raindrop sensor value, and 1 field for rain status. Since I have still not uploaded the program, all the graph are blank. So once it is connected to the ThingSpeak, the data will be updated in these fields. Now I want to create 2 gadgets, visits. So click on add visit. So I want to indicate with the help of a lamp indicator. Click on lamp indicator. Click on next. So it will ask you to enter the name of that visit. So I'll write as raining. So whether it is raining or not raining, for that purpose, I'm giving the name as raining. And in which field you want to take. In the third field, I'm taking. So I'll show you. In the third field, I'm taking the rain sensor value. So I'll take the third field, and I'll check whether if it is less than 500. So if the rain sensor value is less than 500, and turn on the lamp. So this thing I am giving. And here you can change the color of the visit. So I'm using green color to indicate. If it is raining, it will show me the green color. Then you should create. So you check here. So here it is created, and field value is unavailable because still I have not connected to the ThingSpeak, my device. Next, I want to create 1 more visit, add visit. So again, same lamp indicator I'll take and click on next. So here, I'll give rain status, whether it is raining or not raining. So rain status, yes, I'll take. If it is rain status is yes, it will give me the color, visit color. So in the rain status, I'm taking in the field 4. So I'll check if it is less than 1, rain status less than, if it is greater than 1, then it is raining. If it is less than 1, it is not raining. So I'll take greater than 1, greater than 0, greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, it is raining. If it is not greater than 0, it is not raining. So such parameter I am taking. Then you click on create. So here you can check the visit and no, one has not come. I'll do it again. So add visit, click on lamp indicator, click on next, take field 4. And if it is greater than 0, then turn on the lamp. So I'll choose the color red here. I'll choose the red color and I'll write create. Now it is created. So if it rains, if rain status is yes, this will become red in color. If it is raining outside, this will become green in color. So both are one and the same. To just for showing, I'm creating two visits. That's all. Okay. So if you want to remove, I created one extra. If you want to remove it, then you click on cross. It will ask you to delete. Yes, you give yes, it will be deleted. So in this way, you should create your channel smartly. Then you go back to your program and copy that channel ID and the API key and paste it. Then upload the code to the Node MCU. This is my program. Here I have to write SSID. That is my SSID, my mobile hotspot SSID and password you should write, copy here. And after that API key, just now I explained that API key I have pasted here. And my channel ID also I have pasted here. So these 4 things you should do in this program. The program code of the code I have given in a link. You copy it and paste it. That's it. But you make changes in only these 4 places. And you are connecting DHT11 to D4 pin as I have explained in the circuit diagram. Raindrop sensor to A0 pin and buzzer to D5 pin and LED to D6 pin. So I'm using a baud rate of 9600. So if you want me to explain this program in detail, so I'll make another video and I'll explain you. And here I'm sending the temperature to the ThingSpeak in field 1, humidity to the field 2, raindrop value to field 3, and is raining, whether yes or no. The rain status I'm giving in a field 4. And this is my channel ID. So what I have written in the program. So this is all about the program. Now before uploading, so if you don't have a library for DHT sensor, you have to include the library DHT11 sensor. You just type here DHT11. So DHT11, you should install it. I have already installed DHT11. DHT11 sensor by Adafruit I have installed. So before uploading program, you should install this DHT11 sensor. And you should install the ThingSpeak also. #include manage library. So ThingSpeak by MathWork that you should install. I have already installed this. This library you should install. And what else you should install? Whatever the program here, all the library files you should install. DHT11 sensor and the ThingSpeak. So after that, you select the board. So how to select the board? Click on board. Click on ESP8266. Click on Node MCU 1.0 ESP12U model. Your board will be selected. And to select the port, so my Node MCU is connected to port 3. So I have selected COM3. Then you upload the program using this option. So when you click here, the entire program will be uploaded to NodeMCU. Now I'll click and upload the program. After uploading program, click on a serial monitor, which is there on the right side, right corner, and select the baud rate 9600. Now it is started giving the values. The temperature is 28 degrees Celsius outside and the humidity is 33%. And raindrop sensor value is 1024 because there is no rain outside. Now when I pour water on the raindrop sensor, it value reduces. So that it is keep on giving the raindrop sensor value, temperature value, and humidity value. Now I'll show you in the ThingSpeak channel how you get the graph. This is the graph. Since from yesterday I'm doing this experiment, so it is giving me the date and time. So it is keep on giving me the temperature value and the humidity value and the sensor value, rain sensor value and the rain status. So it is in 0 because it's not raining outside. It is 0. And this is a light green in color, light red in color. Now when I pour water, it becomes a dark green. I'll show you now. Now I'll pour water on the raindrop sensor, or else you can keep the raindrop sensor in a glass of water. So the green visit will be turned on. I'll show you now. Now you can check the visit color. It has completely become green and it has completely become red because I poured some water on the raindrop sensor. So it is giving rain status, yes, and it is raining. And you can check the time here. Now in the screen, it is showing that see my cursor mark 11:59. So it is the time is 11:59 and date is 2/3/2023. So you can check here. So the time is 11:58 and the rain status, it is giving 1. Before at 11:48, the rain status was 0. And here at 11:48, rain value, sensor value is 1024. Now it is giving the rain sensor value is 3. So in this way, the data is updated in the ThingSpeak cloud platform. So this is all about a smart weather monitoring system. This is smart weather monitoring system. So with the help of this smart weather monitoring system, based on the condition of the temperature and humidity, you can turn on your fan. So you can turn on the fan just by checking the value of temperature in the ThingSpeak channel. So you can turn on the fan automatically, not by manually. This thing also you can do it. So I can do this in the next video. By taking the average value of temperature, we will take the temperature average value. If the average value exceeds a certain threshold value, then automatically the fan should be turned on. So that project we can do it. So this is the setup I have made for a smart weather system: buzzer, DHT11 sensor, raindrop sensor, node MCU, and a breadboard LED. So as I have explained in the circuit diagram, you do the connection like that. The main concentration you should take care. One line you make it as VCC and the next line as ground. You connect wherever the ground is required to this line and VCC to this line. And node MCU, I have used pin number D4, VCC, ground, D5 and D6, and this side A0 pin. So remaining connection, at the beginning of the video, I have explained how to do the connection. You go through the circuit diagram and do the connection.